Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to understand the context window, which is nothing but AI's working memory. Let's first understand what a context window actually means. Think of it as the working memory of an AI system, which is very much similar to how much information a human can keep in mind while solving a problem. At any moment, the AI has an active recall zone. This is the total amount of text, code, or documents it can see and reason over at the same time. This capacity is measured clearly in tokens, not words. Tokens are smaller building blocks of the language. As a simple rule of the thumb, about 1000 tokens is roughly 700 to 750 words, though this can vary. Now, let's use a simple desk analogy. If the context window is small, it's like working with a post-it note. You can only see the last few lines. So anything older easily gets forgotten. If the context window is large, it's like having a big library table. You can keep an entire book open while writing a summary without actually losing track of earlier points. So, why does this matter? First, consistency. A larger context window helps the AI remember instructions and facts shared earlier in the conversation. Second, the complexity. It allows the AI to analyze long documents, full code bases, legal contracts, or research papers all in one go. Third, accuracy. Many hallucinations happen simply because the AI does not have enough context. Larger windows reduce this risk to a greater extent. But there is a limit. Once the context window is full, the oldest information starts sliding out to make room for the new input. This is what I call the goldfish effect. The result is that the AI may drift from original goal, contradict the earlier instructions, or miss important assumptions made at the beginning. So, understanding context window is the key to get quality and reliable outputs from AI systems. I hope it was interesting and useful. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. If you have questions, please go ahead and type it in the chat. Thank you.